To create routines on the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 8, we need to go to Settings. Over here in Settings, you should be able to find Modes and Routines, so let's go here, and then we should be able to switch to Routines at the bottom. Here at the top we have this plus button that allows you to create your own routine. You can choose triggers, so what should happen in order to activate the routine. Of course we can choose to start it manually, but you can choose pretty much anything else. So this can be, let's say a routine can start if you connect to a specific Wi-Fi. Let's say if you go back to your home and your phone connects to your Wi-Fi at home, then something might happen afterwards. You can also choose like Android Auto, for example, link to Windows. You can choose even the battery level. So let's say if the battery drops to 50%, something might happen. Of course, it's up to you how you want to set it up. Now, in my case, let's say I'm gonna choose the Wi-Fi. By the way, we can also choose time, specific time, of course, or even a specific place. In my case, I'm just gonna choose Wi-Fi, and let's say I'm gonna enable Wi-Fi. So whenever I enable Wi-Fi, what should happen? I need to choose now what should happen when that condition is met. And here, as you can see, the list goes on and on and on again. Once again, we have many different options to choose from. Let's say I can go to effects and I can make it beep once. Why not? Of course, you can add multiple conditions or multiple actions that should happen after those conditions are met. You can also choose for how long the routines should be kept. And once you are done, just tap on save. Over here, we also have the routine name and icons and so on and so forth. So you can, of course, customize that if you want to, and tap on done. And there we go. Now the routine has been created. So let's see if it's going to work. Now the Wi-Fi has been disabled. Let's turn it on. And I actually didn't hear anything, but I assume I might have something disabled. Still, this is how it works. Maybe my media has to be actually... Yeah, there we go. Now it works. I can actually hear it, so it works just fine. If you have no idea what you can create with routines, if you have no ideas or no plans on how to use it properly, but you still want to have some automations, then of course you can go to Discover. And here you might get inspired. You might find something that you might want to actually use, so be sure to check that out. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.